this special edition of the GGI Tea Breaks dedicated to Steven Weinberg and the impact of his research and his legacy in theoretical physics. Steven Weinberg was a giant, a founding father of the theory of fundamental interactions and one of the greatest scientists of the last century. As is well known, his work has been a source of inspiration for generations of physicists, and it is at the heart of current frontline research. His conceptual breakthroughs in particle physics, quantum field theory, and cosmology still form the foundation of our understanding of physical reality. I must confess that I did not know how wide was the area of the research covered by Steven Weinberg and the number of topics where he contributed in a seminal way. Of course, everyone knows that he won the Nobel Prize in 1979, which is shared with Lesho and Abdus Salam, for his work unifying two of the nature's fundamental forces. In fact, he realized that by applying the Peter Higgs mechanism to the weak force, he could describe in a unified way the electromagnetic and weak interactions. And this became a foundation for the current standard model of particle forces. But Weinberg's research touched on many other areas. It's amazing the list of important results that carry the Weinberg name. Just to remind some of them, the Weinberg sum rules, the Weinberg operator, the Weinberg angle, the Weinberg-Witten theorem, the Lee-Weinberg bound, the Weinberg soft graviton theorem. And in addition, there are his groundbreaking contributions which do not carry his name, including the development of the effective field theories and cosmology. This event wants to be a celebration of Steven Weinberg. His contribution will be put into historical context and its relevance for present-day research will be discussed. The program includes 4 talks, each focused on a particular broad area of research where the work of Weinberg led the breakthrough progress. The speakers of the day do not need any introductions since they are very well-known eminent scientists, and I'd really like to thank them for accepting to give a talk for this Weinberg celebration. And also I'd like to thank the GGI Tea Breaks organizers, with whom I'm sharing every effort to make this day a great day, especially for the youngest generation of physicists. People are still connecting on Zoom. We are quite a number. And as I told you, for those who were not able to attend, the event is live streamed and you can find in the chat the link for the live streaming. All the infos are in the chat, yes, and the videos of the talk will be uploaded on the GGI webpage in the next days. Some details about the organization. We have 2 sessions of 2 talks each, divided by 20 minutes of break. At the end of each talk, there will be a Q&A session and an overall free discussion at the very end of the day. Roberto Contino and Enrico Trincherini will coordinate the Q&A sessions, and I want to thank them for doing this job. So please write your question in the chat. That's all from my side, and I invite Roberto to open the session and to make to clarify other points that maybe I forget to do. Thank you again.